Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will look at how to answer or decline calls using Siri on iPhone. So for that, you will need to follow some steps. As you can see, answer or decline incoming calls on iPhone. You can answer, silence or decline an incoming call. If you decline a call, it go to voicemail. You can respond with a text or remind yourself to return the call. First, answer a call. For that, tap the call icon. If iPhone is locked, drag the slider. Tip, you can have Siri announce incoming calls, which you can accept or decline using your voice. Second, silence a call. Press the side button or either volume button when a call is coming in. You can still answer a silent call until it go to voicemail. In the last, decline a call and send it directly to voicemail. For that, press the side button twice quickly. Then tap call icon. This icon. Then swipe up on the call banner. You can also swipe down on the call banner for more options. For that, tap remind me. Then choose when you want to reminder to return the call. Then tap message. Then choose a default reply to tap custom. To create your own default reply. For that, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to phone, then go to respond with text. Then tap on field below respond with. We tap your own reply. Note, in some countries or regions, decline call are disconnected without being sent to voice. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.